We first took the art out of the vocational arts, and then we knocked it down to Votech. And then we changed Votech into shop. And then we walked it behind the barn and shot it. We started with a war not on work, but on craftsmanship and on art. What's changed is the chronology of things we value. Work has fallen far, far down the list. Art has fallen down the list. Safety has gone to the top. Comfort has gone to the top. And the road we take in pursuit of what we'll call job satisfaction, right? That's changed. That's what's changed.
Don't despair. Look around. Wondrium, great courses, the internet itself. So I just think for anybody with a curious mind that has access to the available tech and is willing to learn a skill that's in demand, I don't think there's ever been a better time for that person to be entering the workforce. Philosophers who can run a straight and even bead with a welding torch, and more welders who might be able to contribute to a conversation around Nietzsche or Descartes or whomever, you know? So the idea of being a well-rounded, curious person who just happens to make 150 grand a year welding or looking after your pipes, that's an image we have to get back. That it's just critical. Otherwise, we're just going to be left with these one-dimensional notions of hardworking people possessed of some level of skill, but who are really not very well-read and who frankly need to be taken care of by either their employer or their union or somebody, right? And I just hate to see us give up the entirety of who we can be in service of some platitude.